Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fractions together step by step. A fraction shows part of a whole. We'll learn the types of fractions, find equivalent ones, and add and subtract them. In a fraction a over b, the bottom, the denominator, tells how many equal parts the whole is split into. The top, the numerator, tells how many we take. A proper fraction has a smaller top than bottom. An improper fraction has a top that's equal or bigger, and a mixed number combines a whole with a fraction. Equivalent fractions name the same amount. Multiply or divide both top and bottom by the same number. So 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 3/6. Dividing by the HCF gives the simplest form. With the same denominator, just add the tops. 1/4 plus 2/4 is 3/4. With different denominators, find a common one first. 1/2 plus 1/3 is 5/6. To recap, a fraction is part of a whole. Know proper, improper, and mixed types. Make equivalents by scaling top and bottom together, and use a common denominator to add or subtract. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.